Snow is falling, all the windows in the rain is pouring. Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by today at the Cleaning Queen. I am so excited, you guys. It's Christmas in July. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Listen, if you are as excited as I am for this Christmas in July series for the month of July, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up because I am super duper excited and I cannot wait to watch everybody's video that is taking part in this collaboration. It is my first ever Christmas in July collaboration. And I know that so many of you said that you were going to be participating, and I just cannot wait to watch your videos and to get to know you guys. So unfortunately, my co-host was not able to take part this time. Something came up and she just was not able to do it. So I am flying solo. But of course, I do have you guys with me, supporting me and, just taking part. And I'm just so excited. Can you tell how excited I am? I am super excited. So I am going to be leaving the playlist down in the description box below. Make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. And also, make sure you go ahead and, give this video a thumbs up, share it, like it, and don't forget to comment down below because I love talking with you guys so much. So in this video, I am just doing laundry. Today is strictly laundry day. I have tons of laundry to do, and I hope that it motivates you guys to just get up and do laundry if you need to. I know that sometimes, especially right now in this pandemic, laundry is essential, right? So I am so excited that we are able to do this together. And yeah, enjoy the video. Plus, you guys will see me doing a little bit of dancing because I love to dance. For those of you that do not know, I do love to dance when I clean. So dance and have fun and enjoy the music, enjoy the series. And yeah, I will hop back in a little bit. It's Christmas in my heart.
It's kinda cold, but you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day. Your white cheeks are so hard to resist. Those red lips are longing for a kiss. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Stay outdoors, a different kind of date. I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Your white smile is brightening up my day. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Almost here, let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Whoa, I love it.
Okay, so my favorite Christmas memory is when 2 years ago, actually, my husband gave me a vacuum for Christmas. It sounds silly, but I've always wanted a vacuum, and he blessed me with it, and it surprised me because I had no idea that I was gonna get it. And so I am so excited. Till this day, I still use my vacuum, but they actually broke my vacuum. Somebody broke my vacuum and no one is telling me, but that was my favorite Christmas memory, adult Christmas memory. My favorite movie, I have tons of them, but I absolutely, it's like a go-to every year, every Christmas for me, and even just throughout the year. The Home Alone series. I love Home Alone. Oh my goodness. I just think it's such a classic and it's extremely funny. And I watch it now with my kids. I watched it when I was younger, and now I get to watch it with my kids, and they think it's just as hilarious as I do. So I absolutely love Home Alone. Um, my one of my favorite Christmas carols, I have to say it's a total classic. I'm a classic buff, so I love classical movies, classical music, but I love White Christmas by Bing Crosby, and I love me some Bing Crosby, you guys. But White Christmas, my husband can't stand it, but I play it every single year, and I just love it. I don't know what it is about the song, but it's just so warm and cozy. And every time I hear it, it just makes me happy and just makes me think about Christmas. So I love White Christmas. Um, what Christmas means to me? Oh my gosh, so much. Christmas means to me, um, it means love. It means giving. It means family, celebrating the birth of Jesus. I don't know if you guys know, for those of you that don't know, I am a Christian and Jesus Christ is Lord of my life. He is my Savior. And so I celebrate Him throughout the year, every day anyway, not just on Christmas, but Christmas is just one day out of the year that everyone comes together and celebrate Him in their own way. And I just love Christmas. And for me, that's what it means. It means serving and loving each other and giving and just having peace and joy and pure happiness. So that's what Christmas means to me. And my favorite food to eat of all time is roast beef, potato salad, and sweet potatoes for Christmas. I just love that together. I love that combination. I know it's a lot of starch, but I just love that combination together. And yeah, that is my favorite things about Christmas. What are your favorite things about Christmas, you guys? I cannot wait to hear what you have to say.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy.
So if this is your first time visiting my channel, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for participating in this collaboration. It was so much fun, you guys. I just had a blast making this video. It is the first video in my Christmas in July series, so make sure you do subscribe to the Cleaning Queen channel so that you will receive all of my Christmas clean with me's for the month of July, and also for the new cleaning videos that I am going to be uploading here on my new cleaning channel. Make sure you double tap that bell so you receive all my notifications. Also, I am doing the same series, Christmas in July, on my original channel, the Regal Designs by Shushana channel. It is my decor, DIY, and thrifting channel. I do seasonal decors on there as well. So make sure you subscribe to that channel as well. I will leave the link down below so that you will get to see all the Christmas DIYs and crafts and, you know, decor videos that's coming up for the month of July, and just in general. I am so excited to have two of these channels. I just love cleaning and I love decorating, and so what a way to combine them together and create you know, Christmas in July. So make sure you subscribe to both the channels. I will have them linked down below. Also, I will have the playlist linked down below of all the wonderful ladies that is going to be taking part in my Christmas in July series. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment down below, and hit that bell twice for new notifications. Remember, to be inspired, go inspire, and be unique. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Merry Christmas in July, you guys.
Carols that you love, we'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you, baby. This